Fame is a strange thing. It shines so bright on one person that those standing close can start to believe they deserve a piece of that light too. But let me tell you a story about how living in someone's shadow can turn admiration into poison. In the city of Willowbrook, two sisters grew up sharing everything: clothes, secrets, and dreams. Amara Quinn was the older one, quiet and thoughtful. Seline Quinn, the younger, was vibrant, loud, and always the center of attention. But when Amara's singing videos went viral online, everything changed. Within months, she had a record deal, magazine interviews, and millions of followers calling her America's new soul. Seline was proud at first. She cheered the loudest at Amara's concerts and posted every photo together with the caption, "So proud of my sis." Then came the comparisons. "Your sister's voice is heavenly," strangers would tell Seline at cafes. "You must be so lucky to have her genes." Lucky. That word began to sting. Seline started feeling like she was fading. Her friends talked more about Amara's new album than their own lives. Invitations came with Amara's name on them, not hers. When Amara offered to make her manager hire Seline as a personal assistant, Seline snapped. "You think I need your pity job? You owe me, Amara. Without you, you'd still be singing in that garage." Amara was stunned. "Owe you? Seline, you stood beside me, yes, but I walked the road myself." Those words broke something in Seline. She cut ties and disappeared from the spotlight completely. Months later, Amara found her in a small art studio downtown, painting portraits, her own way of being seen again. When Amara quietly hung one of Seline's paintings in her new music video, she didn't tag her, didn't announce it, she just let the art speak. People noticed. Orders came in for Seline's work. Slowly, fame found her again. This time, earned, not borrowed. Moral: you can't claim the reward of another person's struggle. True worth isn't in someone else's spotlight, it's in finding your own. Let's learn the meaning of some words in this story. Vocabulary section. Admiration means deep respect or warm approval. Example: at first, Seline felt nothing but admiration for her sister's success. Fame is being known and celebrated by many people. Example: Amara's fame grew quickly, filling every corner of Willowbrook with her name. Entitlement is the belief that you deserve something without earning it. Example: Seline's sense of entitlement made her forget that Amara's success came from hard work. Comparison means judging yourself by looking at someone else. Example: the more Seline compared herself to Amara, the smaller she began to feel. Bitterness is a painful feeling that grows from anger or envy. Example: bitterness started to replace the pride Seline once felt for her sister. Resentment is holding anger towards someone because you feel wronged. Example: resentment turned her love into distance and silence. Isolation means being alone or separated from others. Example: after their fight, Seline chose isolation in her small art studio. Authentic means real, true, and honest. Example: her paintings were authentic,
Each brushstroke showed her true heart. Recognition means being seen and appreciated for your own effort. Example: in time, Seline's art gained recognition and her light finally shone on its own. Every soul has its own light. Don't dim yours chasing another's glow. Follow for more timeless stories that awaken your spirit.